Downstairs ran the giant in great joy. So when he saw the little boy, whom he loved very much, and he was longing or desiring to see him. So when he saw that boy standing under the tree, downstairs ran giant in great joy. So this sentence is written in opposite how, because downstairs ran the giant means the giant ran downstairs, तो वो जल्दी से सीढ़ियों के नीचे उतरा. in great joy means in happiness, and out into the garden, and then he went out into the garden, and he hastened across the grass. Hasten means run very fastly across the grass, and came near to the child, and he just very happily came near to the child. And when he came quite close, his face grew red with anger. So when he ran towards the boy to greet him, to meet him, so when he comes quite near, quite close means quite near, बिल्कुल पास आ गया, his face grew red with anger. So he becomes, the giant become very anger, and because of that anger, his face color turned into red. क्यों गुस्सा हुआ? See, and he said, who hath is the older English, has, who has dared to wound thee? Thee is also old English. Thee means you. Wound means injured. So means he asked that who has the dare to injured you. उसने कहा तुम्हें किसने घायल कर दिया है. For क्यों? On the palms of the child. Palm means हथेलियाँ. क्यों? क्योंकि he saw that the child's palm ऑफ द हैंड्स, तो मतलब चाइल्ड, उस बच्चे की जो हथेलियाँ थी हाथों की, वर द प्रिंट्स ऑफ टू नेल्स. नेल्स आप जानते हो कीलें होती हैं, तो उस पर 2 कीलों के निशान थे. एंड द प्रिंट्स ऑफ 2 नेल्स वर ऑन द लिटिल फीट, और उसके छोटे छोटे पैरों पर भी 2 कीलों के निशान थे. हु हैथ डेयर टू वुंड दी, क्राइड द जाइंट. तो लिसन, तो ही सॉ दैट देयर वर द holes of nail on the palms and the feet of that child, and blood was coming out of them. So while giant go near the child and saw the blood, he just asked him who had this courage to injured him. Cried the giant, tell me that I may take my big sword and slay him. And then he was so in anger, so much angry, that he said that just told him the name of that person, so that he might take his big sword, अपनी बड़ी तलवार को ले, and slay him means, और just kill him. Slay him means killed him. Nay, answered the child. But what the child said? Nay. Nay means no. Clear? But these are the wounds of love. So when he just asked him to kill that person who has wounded him, so what? The child answers, no, there is no need to do so. But these are the wounds of love. He said that no, these are not the injury or wounds. These are the wounds of love. Who art thou? Said the giant. Who art thou means, thou means you. So means, art means are. Who are you? So the giant asked who he was, and a strange awe means fear fell on him. और एक अजीब सा fear उसके चेहरे पर आ गया जब उसने ये पूछा, जब उसने ये कहा नहीं ये तो वुंड किसके हैं, प्यार के हैं. तो उसने कहा तुम कौन हो, और एक अजीब प्रकार का डर उसके चेहरे पे आ गया. एंड ही knelt बिफोर द लिटिल चाइल्ड. knelt मीन्स सिट ऑन द नीज. knelt मीन्स सिट ऑन द नीज. वो अपने घुटनों पर उसके सामने बैठ गया. उसने कहा तुम कौन हो. तब चाइल्ड ने क्या किया? एंड द चाइल्ड स्माइल्ड ऑन द जाइंट. लेकिन एट द टाइम द चाइल्ड वॉज स्माइलिंग ऑन द जाइंट एंड सेड टू हिम, ही सेड टू हिम, यू लेट मी प्ले वंस इन योर गार्डन. टुडे यू शैल कम विद मी टू माई गार्डन, दैट इज पैराडाइज. तो देन ही द चाइल्ड सेज टू हिम दैट once he let him play in his garden while he came as a little child. So today he was there to take him to his garden. This is paradise. Paradise means heaven. तो लिसन, तो उसने कहा जो स्वर्ग में मेरा गार्डन है तो मैं उसमें ले जाने आया हूँ. एंड दिस थिंग शोज दैट द चाइल्ड वॉज नॉट ए नॉर्मल चाइल्ड, ही वॉज जीसस क्राइस्ट. And when the children ran in the afternoon, they found that. So when the children came to play in the garden in the afternoon, they found that the giant was lying dead under the tree. कि giant lying dead means lying dead, मरा हुआ पड़ा था under the tree, all covered with white blossom. और जो वाइट फूल खिले हुए थे जबकि विंटर थी, तो वो सारे फूल उस विंटर सीजन में जो एक अनयूजुअल चीज़ थी उसकी बॉडी को कवर किए हुए थे. ऑस्कर वाइल्ड. ऑस्कर वाइल्ड इज़ ए ग्रेट स्टोरी राइटर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड आई होप यू हैव लाइक्ड दिस स्टोरी. तो जाइंट वॉज लाइंग डेड कवर्ड विद वाइट फ्लावर्स. तो मीन्स इट वॉज अ ट्रिब्यूट ऑफ नेचर to the giant who just changed from selfish to a good one or merciful one. Clear? So now what? The God himself took him to his garden or to his paradise, means the child was nobody else but the Jesus Christ. Now we will discuss the question answer. Saw a most wonderful sight. What did he see? So listen, for the first time while winter was not going from his garden, so giant saw a most wonderful sight in which he saw that children came in his garden through a small hole in the wall. And what? Winter has gone from his garden, as every child is sitting on a particular tree. Bird has arrived in the garden. They were singing and chirping. Flowers are also watching the children happily. Clear? But only at the one corner of the garden there was still winter, on which the little child was not able to climb on it. So this was the wonderful sight he saw. What did he realize on seeing it? So he realized on seeing that sight that he was so selfish when he didn't allow the children to play in his garden, and he realized that the winter was not going from his garden because he did not allow the children to play in his garden. So because of his selfishness, everything was happening like that. Why was it still winter in one corner of the garden? So listen, in one corner of the garden there was still winter because a little boy was not able to climb on the tree. Even the tree was bending its branches down so that the child could lift on that branch, but the little boy was so tiny, so small, that he was not able to climb on it, and that's why the winter was not going from that garden. Third question, describe the first meeting of the little boy and the giant. First meeting is the same meeting. So when a little boy at the corner of his garden was not able to climb on the tree and there was still winter on that tree, the giant realized his mistake. He feels pity on the little boy who was crying or not able to climb on the tree, and that's why he rushed into the garden and just what? Just took the little boy in his hand and placed the boy on the top of the tree, and as soon as he placed the boy on the tree, the tree started blooming and birds started chirping on that tree. Children who ran away from the fear of the giant also again entered in the garden. Describe their second meeting after a long distance. So first meeting, he helped him to sit on the tree and the child kissed him lovingly. Clear? At the first meeting. Describe the second meeting. So the second meeting happened when the child was the giant was very old. He saw a wonderful sight that there was an unusual tree in his garden. And what? Its branches was of golden color and the fruits were silver, and it was blossomed with white flowers. The little boy whom he loved very much was also standing beneath the या under the tree. He ran towards him, and but what he saw? He saw some blood coming out of the wounds on his palms and on his feet, and he just becomes angry and asks him what is the reason, who had done this to him. But what the child replied that these were the wounds of love, and then he realized that the child was not the ordinary one. So only this part will be written in this answer. Fifth, the giant lay dead, all covered with white blossoms. What does this sentence indicate about the selfish giant? The giant, old giant, was died while he was lying covered with white blossoms, and this shows that he was dead. And as in winter season his dead body was covered with white blossom, it shows that he was changed. He was selfish once in past, but now he was changed, and that's why, because of this change in his personality, even the nature was what, tributing him, उसको श्रद्धांजलि दे रही थी. Now you do the exercise question also. I will send you the answer key. The little child's hands and feet marks on the nails. Who does the child remind you of? So the marks of nails reminds us of Jesus Christ. And the child was not ordinary one, because he said that the wounds were the wounds of love, and he also asked the giant to come with him to paradise. He asked him that he was there to take him to the garden of paradise. Clear? So this shows that he was not an ordinary child, he was Jesus Christ himself. Is there something like this garden near you live? Would you like one? तो अगर गाइड जैसा कोई है तो आप देखो. तो अगर आप लिखना चाहो तो इस पर लिख सकते हो. दिस क्वेश्चन इज अपॉन यू. इफ़ यू वांट टू राइट दिस आंसर यू कैन राइट दिस विद योर ओन ओपिनियन. इफ़ यू फाइंड सम प्लेस वेयर यू वांट टू विजिट और लाइक टू गो. बी क्लियर? तो why you like this, tell the reason also. So you can write this answer second one by yourself. I will send you the answer key also.